5 costly mistakes learner drivers make with insurance. Learning to drive is stressful enough, but getting insurance wrong, that can cost you more than you think. Here are 5 mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Using the wrong type of insurance. Some learners try to drive on a parent's policy, or without declaring they have a provisional license. That can leave you completely uninsured. Mistake 2. Not declaring your license type. Trying to save money by pretending to be a learner when you've passed. That's fraud. Your policy can be cancelled and flagged to the industry. Keep it clean. Always declare your provisional license status honestly. Mistake 3. Driving after your test with no cover. Learner insurance ends the moment you pass. Driving home without switching to a new driver policy. That's illegal. Mistake number 4. Picking the wrong supervisor. Your supervisor must be over 25 years old, have held a full license for 3 years, and have no recent drink or drug convictions. If not, your cover may be void. Mistake 5. Assuming you're covered for everything. Learner insurance won't cover driving alone, or using the car for work. Always check what's included before you buy. The bottom line is, insurance mistakes can lead to fines, points, or worse, before you've even passed. Drive smart. Drive protected. DriveWISE.co.uk